Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video we'll learn about the operators. So there is arithmetic operators in JavaScript and increment and decrement operators. So firstly let us look into arithmetic operators. So there are many operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let us try and do addition and subtraction of two numbers. So let me take two numbers where number 1 equals to 10 and where number 2 equals to 5. Now I want to perform addition of these both numbers. So let me type addition of the two numbers. In the next line, I will print the output as number 1 plus number 2. So now let us see the output. So the output is addition of two numbers, which is 15. So now let us perform subtraction of numbers. So I'm just copying and pasting the same thing. I'm making changes here. Subtraction and minus. So now let us execute this code. So addition of two numbers is 15, subtraction is 5. So hope you understood how we perform additions and subtractions. So as assignment, I want you all to perform division and multiplication. So now let us get into increment and decrement operators. So let me show you an example. So let me take a number where number equals to 1. So if I want to increment this number by 1, let me write number equals to number plus 1. Now if I console.log this number, let us see what output we are going to get. So now so I am getting the extra output as 2. So initially the number was 1. Now it is getting incremented to number plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So now let me comment this code out. Okay. Yes. So now this is one way of incrementing the number. The other way is number plus plus. So if I write number plus plus and console log number, let us see what output we are going to get. So firstly the number is 1. Now it is incrementing by 1. So you will get the output as 2. Now this 2 is incremented by 1. So number plus plus is nothing but it is equals to number plus 1. So this way you are incrementing the number by 1. This plus plus is called as increment operator. So you can increment the number by 1 using this increment operator also. So now similarly you can do the decrement operator. So let me do number minus minus and let me print the output here. Okay, sorry. Yes. So now let us see the output. So first it was 2. Here you'll get 2. Here you got the output as 3. Here it is decremented by 1. So the output is 2. So hope you understood this increment and decrement operators. Now let us do let us do something. Average of subjects of students. So let us write a code to get the average of subjects of a student. So let us consider three subjects: maths, physics and chemistry. So I am taking the maths marks as 100, physics as 98 and chemistry as 90. So to get the average, first we need to find out sum of all the subjects. So sum of all equals to maths plus physics plus chemistry. Now we need the average. So where average equals to sum of all divided by 3, because we have 3 subjects, so we are going to divide it by 3. Now when you console.log average of 3 subjects equals to. So you can print out the number here itself using the plus operator, and you can write the variable name here as average. So in place of average, sum of all by divided by 3. This result is going to get printed here. So let us run this code and see the result. So you're getting average of 3 numbers equals to 96. I hope you have understood about arithmetic operators and increment and decrement operators. So the assignment which I am giving you for this video is find the percentage of your marks writing the JavaScript code. So you can take any semester marks and write a code to calculate the percentage of your marks. So, and I'll be attaching the entire code links in the description. So please find the GitHub link from the description. You can pull my code and you can run and check your codes. Have any doubts, you can always post in comments. Hope you have understood this video. Thank you.